So here at Bent River, we're the only laminator producing manufacturer in the United States. We made a 5080 laminator station that was all mounted together, so it was all one unit, all 5 lids lifted together for the customer. It was a really awesome feat because all the laminators are usually just one individual machine. Aptera was in the process of producing solar panels for their cars. So we went through the process of making them this monstrous laminator. It's so interesting to get into something besides just solar panels, but with the automotive also.
We were helping make space-grade solar for one of our customers, and it was taking roughly 3 hours to make one panel. And through the implementation of our laminator, we're able to get that down to about 10 minutes.
With our lamination, what sets us apart is really being able to work with everyone in the R&D phase. And so not only can we build a machine that manufactures your solar panels, but we can work with you on how your panels can be made and give advice on products that we've seen work well in different applications, as well as come up with a recipe for your lamination. So we really can offer that full solution, not just a machine to laminate.